how to turn your picture into a video. Hello guys, and welcome to Big Benji Tech Community. I know we have not been regular with videos, but hey, we must bring you knowledge. This is to say you can turn your video, you can make your picture to talk, all right, using CapCut. And this is the very simple way to go about it. I'm going to be showing you this in a few seconds. But then, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe now. If you're watching this video on TikTok, make sure you follow me, and also on Facebook, Big Benji Tech Community. So let me drive you straight away into the video and show you how you can make your video, your picture to talk using CapCut. I'm going to make it funny because I'm going to be using the broken English, that is the pidgin language. Stay tuned as we go into this video. So this is how to make your picture talk using CapCut. All right, you can create a video by using CapCut. There are a lot of people who are good writers, but they are not good in creating videos. So you can use this as a means of transmitting your information and converting your audio into, or your text into video. All right, so let's go into CapCut. You click on new project, you choose photos. Let me use this photo. All right, we go. All right, when you choose this, you can draw it a little bit longer. This is just a test, so you can decide what to write. So let you click on the photo, you go like this, you come to lip sync. You click on lip sync. They say here, enter what you want the person to say. So now you come here, you choose voices.
What a good morning for Bamenda. I say make a salute, Wuna.
You can choose different voices, but I choose Ronald.
What a good morning for Bamenda.
I take OK. Then I choose standard so that I will not be too fast. I take generate. It's going to generate an end. Alright. That is it. Okay, let's see what it says. We have to wait till it generates. You look at this point here, it has to generate all through. Okay, so you can see it has already loaded, it has already generated. So let's listen to what it says.
What a good morning for Bamenda. I say make a salute, Wuna. My name na Big Benji. They teach Wuna tech and IT knowledge for social media. Make Wuna try, they watch my video them. Thank Wuna plenty.
So that is it. Then you click now on export. And the video has been saved. You click on done. That was it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like, you share, you subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.